everyone, my name is Vinka and now I want to explain you about this article with the title Electricity Machinery, Renewable Energy and Green Economy. Table of contents is introduction, research methodology, result, and conclusion. Currently, the industrial sector is growing rapidly, but this condition brings negative impact on the environment, including in Surabaya. This is indicated by the level of AKI. Higher AKI in Surabaya comes from existing industrial area such as Saki Benowo, Respo Kermas Kartajaya, Saki Keputih, and Surabaya Tandes. High AKI level are caused by utilization of boiler machine that increasing air pollution and contain emission. At this condition, we need a new strategy that focuses on applying renewable energy. So, the study aims to analyze the impact of factory exhaust fumes on the environment and analyze the application of a green economy through the use of electricity-based machine based on the potential of renewable energy in Indonesia. This study employs a qualitative method with cluster sampling method, which is a part of probability technique. And you can look the figure called social situation. Data in this study collected from the article, books, government website, and policies and government regulation. In addition, data is described and explained using Miles and Habermas model. The figures show the level of AKI in Surabaya on July 26, 2021. From the figure, we know that the level of CO reached the highest point, and concentration of PM2.5 in Surabaya is 3 times by the WHO exposure recommendation. Total production of primary energy in 2018 reached 411.6 MTOE, which petroleum produced full from domestic refineries an average of 278.1 million barrels, and coal production escalated to 557 million tons. Power plant capacity in Indonesia reached 70,964 megawatt, and more than half were in Java, Bali, and Nusa Tenggara. And PLTU are the most installed types of power plants. The table shows that PLTU has the large capacity and PLTD is the power plant with the most units. Air pollution caused by production activities contain emissions that are harmful to humans and environment. The carbon emission effect for health first is pediatric asthma, high concentration of nitrogen dioxide, prolong and worsen common viral infection and cause severe lung damage. Third, inhalation and cause asthma and chronic respiratory disease, respiratory and cardiovascular morbidity, and the last, increase in mortality and respiratory morbidity. While nitrogen emission effect for health is potential for skin cancer as a result of increased UV radiation due to the destruction of the stratospheric ozone layer and increased production of powder allergens, malaria, cholera, and schistosomiasis. The figures show the level of AKI in Surabaya on July 26, 2021. From the figure, we know that the level of CO reached the highest point, and concentration of PM2.5 in Surabaya is 3 times by the WHO. So, the result from this study is Surabaya, which is classified as a high-level industrialization area, can develop sophisticated technology through improving industrial structure as an adaptive step by step. The application of GE as an alternative strategy is supported by several government policies such as UNCFF target the achievement of net zero emission by 260 and other government regulation. And for reducing emission, companies should replace of boiler utilization to electricity-based machine produced by NRE because we have the big potential to use NRE. Power plant capacity reached 64.5 GW in 2018 and that is expected to increase, especially NRE. For switching of boiler machine to electricity-based machine can be implemented gradually to minimize this drawback, such as utilization of solar and wind energy. Until 2019, East Java has 150 units of power generation and PLTD is the most units. And the conclusion of this study is the use of engine-based technology sourced from steam or diesel energy, we call boiler engine, is one source of air emission. This emission contains several pollutants of particulate and gas such as carbon. Therefore, to minimize air pollution, it can be done by replacing electricity-based machine from renewable energy. This change is supported by the level of energy production in Indonesia, where the production of fuel, including biodiesel and coal, in 2018. In addition, the power generation capacity of 70,964 megawatt also support the implementation and dominated by steam-fired power plant. Moreover, the application of the GE concept is also supported by the number of existing NRE power plants, especially in the East Java with the Python steam-fired power plant and Sutami hydro power plants. Thank you and goodbye.